Hello y'all, and welcome back to my hot mess of a channel. It's Saturday, 6:52. It's late. I didn't record anything yesterday. We're gonna sit you on a pedestal. I'm in an awkward position, but that's okay. So yeah, it's Saturday. It's late. Yesterday I was not home. It was mommy and daughter day, and yeah, I didn't want to record because I wanted to just focus on her all day. So I did that. I didn't do any cleaning today or yesterday, but I did go to Hobby Lobby yesterday with my daughter, so I'm going to show you what I got. And then I'm not sure if I'm going to do any cleaning tonight because, well, that's how life works. The reality, I am going to do part 2 segment, and what I think I'm going to do first, even if it's tomorrow or if I start late tonight, it's going to be the kitchen, because I've been kind of on the kitchen kick, which I started with the pantry, and then you saw me kind of organized. But I bought a few things at Hobby Lobby for the kitchen, so I'm going to stick with the kitchen. So that's probably the segment you're going to see for this one. And then I'll show you probably tomorrow the list that I made for spring cleaning. Anywho, let's get this vlog started. Okay, probably the worst of angles. There goes the baby hairs. Let me see if I can focus. There you go. But I'm gonna show you real quick. You hear any noise, it's my laundry. Flowers for spring, which I'm not sure if I want to put it in her room or if I want to put it in the front or the hurricane. I don't know, but I thought they were so cute, and it's very spring and I just love it. So yeah, I got that. Oh, I got my pantry sign. Very excited to put this up. I'm still debating if I want to use it. I got to see how it looks on top, but I think it will fit because it doesn't really match my house theme or my kitchen theme, but we're working with it. Anyway, what did I get here? So I saw this potted vase. I loved it, and it was on sale. Look how cute. It's so heavy. Cute. So I'm gonna put this outside probably. I have a black thumb. For those who don't know what that means, I can't plant or do any type of planting to save my life, but I want to try, and if not, then I'll put like some cute Easter something in here. But I thought it was so cute. It's aesthetically pleasing. Apparently that's my new word now. So a lot of the stuff that are spring, or it's called the spring shop, are 40% off. And I found these. How cute are these? How cute. Obviously they don't go together, but I thought they were so cute. And then I bought this oven mitt because we don't really have one. We have only one. And then I bought this Easter blessing, which I'm going to put over there. And then I have a wreath outside that I'm going to decorate with. And I bought these lavenders with lemon. Oh. With lemon. Oh, sorry. Lemon, some wreaths. And then I'm going to use this ribbon. Yeah. Oh, and I'm obsessed with this. Look at these cute little ones. And they say what they're for. I don't know if you can see. Isn't that cute? And they're so tiny. I bought that. And then I got like these as well. Isn't that not cute? I'm obsessed with it. So all the all those utensils you saw, I'm gonna put it in this cute little vase. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I'm gonna do that. And then I bought, because I'm always looking for bowls, and this is so cute, and it's very coastal. So I bought that. So yeah, that's what I bought at Hobby Lobby. And then I bought something for my mother, but she kind of watches my vlogs, and I can't have her see it, so sorry. Yeah, that is what I bought. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now I gotta get to doing a few more things. Hey guys, it's 11:30. It's the next day. We just woke up about probably like an hour ago. We're gonna eat some breakfast. I'm making kids their breakfast. My son's breakfast is there. And I'm gonna feed my daughter, change her diaper real quick, and feed her. And I'll show you what my oatmeal looks like. It's gonna look a lot like that one. So this is mine. So it's honey at the bottom, strawberries, cinnamon, granola. What are you doing? Granola, whipped cream, and some cinnamon. Yes, I put whipped cream on my oatmeal. It tastes so good. Bon appetit. Babygirl's first car wash.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your purchase.
Let's see how she does. I'm nervous. We're gonna go through a car wash. You excited? Yeah, the car wash. Esta no tiene luces.
Huh?
Let's see what she does. Yeah.
Yeah, some blue. You see a blue?
Okay. Ready? We're gonna go through the car wash. So last time I wasn't able to show you how the front turned out. We're still kind of working on it. But look how cute it looks so far. So I'm going to decorate that probably today if I have time. But yeah, let's see what we do. So these are the strawberries we hand picked. They look so good on camera, but my husband says they're okay. And then these are the sunflowers we picked. I'm going to show you those in a minute. This is the avocado I made yesterday. So I'm going to put them in my lovely blue bowl. I'm going to clean them and then I'm going to put them away. So these are the sunflowers. We got 10. They were 2 per flower. And so it was a very, very windy day, and a lot of these sunflowers lost their petals, which I'm very sad about. That one's probably the prettiest one. But I have to figure out what to put them because we don't have like a big vase.
But I saw the one that had the like rocks in.
I have to see. Hold on. Hey guys, as per usual, I'm in my shower because I'm gonna take a shower. But I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I wanted to kind of just show you a very quick, I know I have mascara everywhere because it was so windy and I'm just gonna take a shower. Anyways, I like sharing like the little fun things we do as a family, and I wanted to set that in before I actually put in part 2 of spring cleaning, which I'm going to start tomorrow morning. It's going to be a long one. So, hope you guys enjoyed the fun part, and the good stuff is right after this. So I'll see you tomorrow morning.